Hi all. We're going to schedule a live event. April 1st, I'm going to do my first live event. I'm just going to jam on the guitar and have everybody join in. So I thought I'd do a video, show you how to set it up. First thing, if you go to your channel, see here, we're in Creator Studio, and then you go to channel, right here it says live streaming, and you just have to click a couple buttons. There's no there doesn't really seem to be any restrictions on it, but when you first set up your channel, it's disabled, and you just have to click a couple buttons to enable it. So that one's pretty easy. And then go to the live streaming, and you get these two choices. You can stream now, or you can set up an event. So I thought I'd go ahead and schedule it and see how that works. So click on events. Then we get this screen here. It says schedule a new event. And then this is just like setting up a video, when you upload a video. Okay, so here you just give it some type of title. I'm going to start with live event, so people can find it in a search, and just give it some type of name. And then the start date, you just click in that text box and you get a drop down with the calendar. Double click the date. The time, you can set the time, 10 p.m. PM's at night. And I don't know what time I'm going to end, but I'll say 1 o'clock in the morning, so we're talking 3 hours here. And then, so the end time, we start April 1, it'll be done at after midnight on April 2nd. It'll be public, so everyone can see it. Sometimes they say do your first one private, so you can make sure you have it set up right. But I messed around with it last year. When you do a live event, when you're done, the video is automatically uploaded to YouTube, and it's just like any other video. If you don't like it, you can delete it. Okay, and then give it some type of description. I'm saying live music event, and I just give some general information about it. And then my tags: guitar, bass, drums, keys, music, live, you know. Then you have these two choices here. So I don't really know what the custom is for, but we'll check that out here. Advanced settings. The only thing I did here was I turned off the chat here, and down here there's one. Here. And that's because I'm going to be playing guitar. I'm not going to have a chance to really follow the chats. So if someone's being nasty, I won't be able to block them. So I figure until I get to know how this stuff works, I'll just go ahead and turn that off. I know it's a bummer that's the best part. But we'll start like that. And you can see there's all types of options here. I think for the most part you can leave everything alone. I did change the category here to music. You can see there's all types of different categories. Enable slow mode. Slow mode forces chat participants to wait a certain amount of time between posting messages. Automatically block spam. Automatically block simple spam such as long messages in all caps or repeated identical messages by the same user. License and rights ownership. The standard YouTube license is found in section 6 of the YouTube Terms of Service. You also have the option of Creative Commons Attribution License. Learn more. So we'll go standard YouTube. So what's a Creative Commons? Okay, so that looks pretty cool. Creative Commons license provides a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. YouTube allows users to mark their videos with a Creative Commons CC BY license. These videos are then accessible to YouTube users for use, even commercially, in their own videos via the YouTube video editor. Okay, so that's an advanced option. We'll worry about that later. Syndication. Make the video available on all platforms. Mac, Windows, phones, tablets. I guess that's what they're talking about there. Monetized platforms. Make this video available only on monetized platforms. That might be something to consider. Not right now, but maybe in the future that might be a good thing. So examples of monetized platforms include YouTube.com and YouTube app on Android. Learn more. Video distribution settings. Okay, that's some type of advanced thing. We'll worry about that one later. Captions certification. This content has never aired on television in the USA. And so on. Distribution options. Allow embedding. Allow others to embed your video in their sites. Promote through featured content when event is live. If checked, this event will be featured across all of your channel videos when the event is live and set to public. Well, that's cool. So if somebody watches one of your other videos, they'll get a little note, so-and-so is live. Promote on my channel page when event is live. Oh, that's cool. So promote on my channel page 2 days before the scheduled start time. So if people go to your channel page, they'll see that you have a scheduled event coming up. Enable age restriction. No one over 40, right? I'm kidding. Music, video location. I guess you put in where you're from. Video language, on English. Community contributions. Allow viewers to contribute translated titles, description, and other subtitles. So I guess what they're saying, people could contribute translations. So if someone in Spain wants to type in the Spanish words, that they could do that. There won't be much words in this, so I don't think we have to worry about that. But that looks like a cool option. Then you don't have to worry about it. A recording date will be the 1st, April Fool's Day. Make video statistics on the watch page publicly visible. That's cool because then you can tell if there's 10 people or 1,000 people watching. Content declaration. This video contains paid promotions such as paid product placement, sponsorships, or endorsements. Just the regular ads from YouTube. Creators may choose to include paid promotion in their content. All paid promotion will need to conform to our ad policies and all applicable laws. Help me inform viewers of paid promotion by adding a disclosure to this video. Some of this stuff you gotta be a lawyer to understand what they're talking about. Recording automatically make archive unlisted once stream is ended. I'm going to go ahead and let it be public. Allow comments. That's the one I turned off. Why they have it twice, I don't know. Oh, this one's live chat, and then this one is comments after the video is uploaded. That's why it's here. Okay, I see what they're doing here. So this one's for live chat during the live event, and then this one, that's why they got it bunched up with this. It says automatically make archive unlisted. Okay, I turned that off, so it'll be public, and then we'll say okay, allow comments. All comments newest first. Users can view ratings for this video. Enable DVR. viewers will be able to seek back a maximum of 4 hours while you are streaming. If they step in like an hour into it, they can jump back to the first part of the video and see what's going on. Here's something cool, 360 video. This stream is 360 degrees, that's full circle. Panorama type thing. Low latency live streaming is not supported for 360. So you have to have a fast internet connection for that. Stream optimizations. Optimize for interaction, low latency. Optimize for less viewer buffering. Blah 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 blah. What's that mean? So we'll go for less viewer buffering. That buffering, you know, when that thing starts to spin and the video stops, that's what gets to be a pain. So most likely what that means is, and I'm guessing here, like when you go into the options. So I think what that means is like this guy here, you click on here and then go to quality, it's gonna automatically set that for you according to your internet speed. If you have fast internet, then you'll get the highest quality connection. If your internet is slow, or if there's 5 people on your internet at the same time, it might bump it down to a lower quality video. So it'll play faster, but the video might be a little grainy. But you can see, you know, even at 240, that video's not bad. There's nothing wrong with that. You can see down here in my picture, that's where you can really tell that it's kind of grainy. But for this part of the video, the main stuff, it's fine. Just depends on what you're watching. But added delay. If I want to, I can go 30 seconds back or 60 seconds back. I think even at none, there's still like a 5-second delay from the time it gets from the streaming software to YouTube. There's still a few seconds there. And then monetization, you monetize it like a regular video. Monetization is on. And these are the types of ads that'll go on top of it. Overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads. Okay. So for the most part, that's all there is to it. I really only changed a couple things. Okay, and then I'll click this to create the event. So the only thing I really did was I named it, set the start time, set the end time, put in a description, put some tags in, and then on the advanced settings, the only thing I did was I turned off enabled live chat. I think live chatting is cool, but I'm not going to have time to watch it. And if someone's being nasty, I won't be able to turn them off. So, and that's the only thing I changed here. And then the monetization, that was from my channel settings. I didn't even have to change that. That little check mark means it's on. Okay, and then click create event. Okay, so the event has been created. Now I get this page. I got these tabs up here at the top. Live event, jamming in the basement on guitar with Jim. Please upload as large an image as possible. Suggested 1280 by 720. Since your image will also be used as a preview image when your event is embedded on other sites. You can upload a JPEG, GIF, BMP, PNG file, and so on. So I need some type of picture here. And then choose a maximum sustained bit rate of your encoder. Basic ingestion. Select the bit rate. So I watched a few videos about these. I don't really know what they're talking about here. You know, where I guess this is my upload. Choose a maximum sustained bit rate of your encoder. I guess what they're saying is how fast is my live stream software going to send it to YouTube. And I think that would be based on your internet speed of your ISP. So it's just speedtest.net, www.speedtest.net, and we can go begin test, and it goes out, it tests your upload and your download speed. So I have the slowest possible Time Warner internet. Okay, so here they say we recommend checking your connection settings and your PC performance. So it's 4 megs download and 1 meg up. So the upload speed would be the important part, because I'm going to record on my screen on my desktop, and then it's going to upload to YouTube live. So 1.16. So you got me. But I'm going to pick this 720p. Then they'll still get full screen. But the 1080p is the full quality. I think these two up here are for 4K video. You know, the new 4K cameras. This one I'm guessing is going to be 2K cameras. And then most people do 1080p, and I remember seeing in a few of the videos that people said if you've got a slow internet, do 720p. So we'll go with that one for now, see how that works. Select your encoder. Configure your encoder. So I think what they mean by encoder is the software I'm going to be using. I'm going to use OBS software, Open Broadcast System. These down here, I'm not sure. I think you have to set two things between OBS and YouTube, the URL and the password. So we'll have to come back to that. Add a camera. Camera name. Oh, so the main camera, camera 2, add a camera. Okay. And then after we set this one up, then we can go in and set up another camera. And we get the same questions. Then we can add a third camera. Okay, so for now we're going to go ahead and delete these two. Okay, it would be nice if YouTube had like a PDF that you could download. So here's the directions on how to live stream. And then we could print out a 50-page PDF that had all the directions in it. That would make it a lot easier than hunting and pecking through all these things. Okay, save changes. Event has been successfully saved. Let's see, let's go to my main channel page. This is 2 days before, so it might show up on my main page. So what's these? Ingestion settings, cards. Okay, I need to change that picture. Let's see, this is where they want a picture. I have a picture I was going to use, but it's small. I don't think they'll accept it here because it's a small picture. Okay, scene. Okay, cards. Yeah, see, that was a small picture. 1280 by 720. So let's see here. I gotta. Okay, I just got a BMP here. So let's see, I'm going to take all this off. Resize. $1280 by 720, that's like your screen size, right? And let's see, black. I turned off bold. Okay, that's okay. The picture when I was a kid. So let's see if they'll take that one. Okay, so here's our general settings. New, set your start point. And then ingestion settings must be YouTube is going to ingest the OBS stream. That's why they're calling it ingestion settings. Cards. Here it's saying live in 47 hours. Add a card. They say create a channel card. My channel name. Custom message. Can't be longer than 147. Why would I want to link to another YouTube channel? If you can't link to your own channel. Okay, so we'll forget that for now. Can't link to my own. That don't make no sense. Live control room. Says we are not receiving data from your encoder. Please make sure you're configured correctly in the ingestion settings. So that's when we set up the OBS software. Whatever software you use to stream. You need some type of software that grabs the video from your webcam and sends it to YouTube. There's many that do it, but OBS is free, and that seems to be the one that everyone uses. I was hoping the new Camtasia would have something built in. Looked around their website today and they didn't have nothing that I could find. Okay, so preview. I guess you can add a preview here. A preview video. Slates insertion, add insertion, create a highlight. Public view, this is what they can see in the public. So lots of this stuff, I don't know what this stuff is yet. Okay. Preview stream, you're live. Preview. Sync to preview player. Okay, so no data here because I haven't set up OBS yet. OBS is not sending no data. We aren't live yet. So that's why it says no data. Okay, so let's go to my channel page and see what's on there. Okay, so I viewed it as a user. That was that last choice, and then this shows up. Live event, jamming in the basement on Guitar with Jim. Starts April at 10. Okay, I think that's good for this video. We'll see you next time.